Welcome to Smart Education. This is class in math series. We are doing quadratic equations and today we are starting with important questions. So the first question is to solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. This is our equation, so we need to solve it using factorization. अगर आपने हमारी factorization वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी है, then please go and watch it. The link is in the description. So let's see the equation. According to the equation, A is 1, B is -3 and C is -10. हमने पढ़ा था that we have to find two numbers alpha and beta such that alpha into beta should be equal to A into C. That means it should be -10 and alpha plus beta or alpha minus beta should be equal to B, which is -3. तो अगर हम hit and trial करें, so first we will know that one number will be negative, the other will be positive, and the numbers can be -5 and +2. Why? Because -5 into +2 is -10 and -5 plus 2 is -3. So going with that, let's solve using middle term splitting. So if we split, we'll write down -3x as -5x plus 2x. पहले दो नंबर्स को ध्यान से देखें तो उसमें x कॉमन आ रहा है, तो अगर हम x कॉमन ले लें तो बचेगा x - 5. सेकेंड पार्ट को अगर हम देखें तो इसमें 2 कॉमन है, तो अगर हम +2 को कॉमन ले लें तो we'll be left with x - 5. Now x - 5 and x - 5 is common. Let's take that out. तो ब्रैकेट में बचेगा x plus 2. हमने पढ़ा है जब दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज इक्वल टू 0, दैट मीन्स आइदर ऑफ वन इज 0. Either x - 5 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. Solving this, we get the answers as x equal to 5 and x equals to -2. So this is going to be the solution of the given equation. We'll be doing important questions on quadratic equations every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 7 p.m. And we are starting with arithmetic progression with short videos coming on Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 p.m. So subscribe now to Smart Education and do not miss out any video.